Chevrolet Impala stood under a canopy for 35 years, a real barn find. The barn finds you love so much can differ from each other a lot. Some look like they've only been there for a short time, while others have clearly not moved from their places for decades. This 1967 Chevrolet Impala felt the speed last time in the 80s. Its owner was planning to restore the car, but something clearly went wrong. The photographs show the car with a white front end which is well preserved and a completely rusted rear end. The glasses are all in place and the tires surprisingly still hold the air. The seller knows only a little about this car, except that it was partially disassembled for restoration, which was never carried out. The interior is not in perfect condition, but its completeness brings the hope. It is impossible to tell what condition the dashboard is or how well the seats are preserved. The seller states that the floor seems solid, but it is not physically possible to see the bottom. The Chevrolet Impala is equipped with the V8, but the seller does not know which model exactly. Most of the chrome and other details you will need to rebuild this car is in the trunk. But is this unit worthy of restoration work? Probably yes, because someone bought it for $2,800. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing and bye bye.